Hi, Cam here, the Georgian Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. This video is about chicken, and I could call it smosted chicken, but really it's smoke roasted. So we're smoking it and roasting it 3 hours in total. Great rub on it, crispy skin, terrible for you, but so delicious, and great way to do chicken. And these chicken are backless, or they will be. So I have two small little chickens here, which I'm just going to pull out, give a rinse. I'm going to remove the back, split it open, and then we're going to dust it with a rub on the inside and a little on the outside and put it on the smoker. So just a little cold water. Oh, giblets, giblet alert. I'll put those in the bag. I'm going to remove this extra bit of skin here too. Sorry, I should say fat. Just don't need it. I'm not going to eat it. I always save all the giblets. I just put them in the freezer. I make my own chicken stock all the time. Leave the bag open because I'm going to be putting in these backs. So a couple different ways to remove the back. I just usually use a sharp knife.
Oh, there we go.
Okay. So I insert the knife on one side of the spine and I just cut through. Cut through the one side. And then do the same with the other side. Now we have a spineless chicken with no guts. No humor. Okay, so there we have our chicken, which we're going to just kind of flatten a little bit. And that's what we want. Just like that. Now another way you can do this is with a good pair of poultry shears. So you can just cut through the bone. Just go all the way up. And then the other side. See, we've just removed it like that. So we have our two chickens. So we're just going to give them a little seasoning. Wash our hands. Okay, so the giblets and the backs, we call it the farm. We usually have lots of carcasses and bones and things like that. It's like the dead farm. Anyway, we'll just put that in the freezer, and when we've eaten the chicken, the leftover bones that have been cooked and everything, I'll put them in the same bag, and then when I want to make a soup, I've got some good stuff to use. Okay, so I'm just going to pat the chickens dry a little bit, get gloved up. You know, I shake with my right, rub with my left. The right hand is more coordinated for me, and it's easier to shake it nicely. So I'm just going to remove some of that. Just a little bit of olive oil. And then just some chicken rub. And the recipe for this is on the screen there for you. Just a little bit in there. I'm going to turn it over. And just a little bit of oil. And some rub. Okay. There we have it. So chickens are ready now. I'm going to go get the smoker on, and I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to put it on smoke first for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to turn the temperature up. And this will take about 3 hours after. So delicious. Okay, smoker's on. We're about 168 degrees in the chamber right now. So we're going to put these on. There we are, we're all set. So we're going to give these 30 minutes on smoke, and then I'm going to turn the temperature up to 325. It's going to stay in there for an hour and a half when the skin gets nice and brown. Then I'm going to rub it with a little bit of oil, some salt and pepper, flip them over, skin side down, a little oil, salt and pepper inside, and give it another hour and a half until it reaches internal temperature of about 175. And then we'll pull them off. So, it's going to be delicious. Okay, I had the chicken on smoke, 30 minutes. Now it has been just over an hour, about an hour and 15 minutes. They're golden brown, so they're ready to flip. So I'm just going to give them a little baste of some oil, salt and pepper, flip them, do the same, and we'll give them another, probably another hour and a half. Oh, they look good. See them? Catastrophe. Okay. We'll give that another hour and a half, and then be ready to eat. It's been another hour and a half. Our temperature 320, kind of varying in that area. It's perfect. Now look at these. Oh boy. Does that ever look good? So they're ready to come in. So I'm going to bring them in right now. Just pull these off. Smell amazing. A little difficulty getting them off the grill because they're fall off the bone ready. So I'm going to, look at that. Oh, let's put this on the cutting board. And you almost don't even need a knife. There's a beautiful leg and thigh. Leg and thigh there. Just cut through. Meat is just perfect. A little bit of pink, a little bit of smoke ring on there. The thighs and the legs. Oh, and the skin is crispy. So I'm going to have a taste here. Now, decisions here on what part I want. Anyway, I'm going to have a little taste of this breast here with the skin. I'm just going to get myself a fork. Alright, oh man, this smells good. And yes, I like the skin. Oop. Anyway, beautiful bite there. Here we go. Moist, crispy skin, tons of flavor. Great way to do chicken. Whoop. Cut. Whoop. So moist. Delicious chicken. Made lots here, so we're going to eat a bunch tonight, and then the rest we'll just put in the fridge, make sandwiches out of, or reheat it again. It's a great way to get that skin crispy. If you like skin, it's fantastic. Love the wings. Those wings will be really good. Hope you like it. Try it. Give me some thoughts. Check out my website, which is www.thegeorgianchef.com. Like my Facebook page, which is The Georgian Chef. And check out more of my videos. Anyway, I hope you like it, and happy smoking. Thank you.